comes up, the nose comes up with it.
There we go. Tower, this is Cherokee, 7303 Foxtrot, coming up on Valley Center.
Nice landing.
Once we left in contact on point 9, good day.
A3 Golf, crossing 13 left, good day.
Cherokee 7303 Foxtrot, Boeing.
Go ahead, pull up, pull up.
We're coming in for landing for 13
There you go, very good.
With information, Victor.
03 Foxtrot, thanks, and say your position again.
Right now we're right over Kent and Boeing Field, coming up on Valley Medical.
Cherokee 03 Foxtrot, enter left downwind, runway 13 left, report 2 miles southeast, traffic 2.5 miles southeast, southeastbound, helicopter 500 indicated.
Okay, 97 Tango, we report, and we have the field in sight.
Certify is Cherokee 7303 Foxtrot.
That's affirmative.
Helicopter 68 Sierra, traffic 12 o'clock, 2 miles inbound at Cherokee 900 indicated.
Helicopter 68 Sierra, looking for traffic.
Fever 7 Charlie Hotel, runway 13 right to clear land.
And helicopter 68
That's Renton
Sierra,
over there.
Cherokee.
That's Renton.
Fever 7 Charlie Papa, I believe so. The traffic in Lear is still 6 miles in trail, but doing 200 knots. Try and keep your speed up. 7 Charlie Hotel, affirmative.
Okay, coming up at 700 feet. Left turn, left turn.
01 Papa, runway 13 left, clear for the option, make left traffic.
See how it makes a nice angle with the horizon, about 15 degrees.
Cessna 01 Papa, if that's you, your radio's coming in very weak, barely readable. Did you request stop and goes?
Affirmative 401 Papa.
So it's the 517 contact
level
on
your
517.
Now we're going to go downwind.
Cessna 01 Papa, runway 13 left, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 13 left, 401 Papa.
01 Papa, on the upwind, fly straight out, plan on following a Cherokee, 3.5 miles southeast, entering the left down, report them in sight.
Roger, looking for traffic, 401 Papa, will report in sight.
So the hotel, that's the hospital, that big white building, fly for the hospital.
And Boeing Tower, this is Cherokee 03 Foxtrot, we're entering downwind.
There you go. Now level the wings. Just look at the nose. See if the nose is level with the horizon, we fly straight.
838, runway 13 left, clear for the option. Number 2, following a Cessna 1 mile final, they are making a stop and go.
838, number 2, we'll follow the Cessna for 13 left.
603 Foxtrot, number 2, correction, number 3, following Cessna,
Wow.
midfield left downwind, runway 13 left, clear left.
Busy.
Okay, we're number 3 and we're looking for the traffic for 03 Fox.
0240 Bravo, Boeing Tower, you on? 40 Bravo, runway 13 right, clear to land. Traffic on left downwind for runway 13 left, a Cessna followed by a Cherokee. Delta 33, Boeing Tower, short runway 13 right.
Where's the other airplane? I'm looking for him. 1 mile final.
7 Charlie Hotel, turn left at Alpha 9er, taxi to clearly CV Alpha.
And he said he's doing a stop and go, by the way.
Yeah.
Here's 7 Charlie Hotel, you're going to Clay Lacey, correct? Thanks. 838, traffic 3 mile final for 13 right, a Learjet, caution, wake turbulence.
838, we'll be looking, caution for the Learjet. That traffic we're following, where are they located?
838, they are short final now.
838, roger that.
Cherokee 03 Fox, caution, wake turbulence.
Okay, so we're out here a ways, so I'm going to bring
2.5
down
mile final for
1500.
runway 13 right.
Start a left turn. We have a left turn.
97 Tango.
And I'll get you trimmed.
Wind 030 at 4.
There you go, good. Level the wings, level the wings, level the wings. Then take a look at the runway. There you go, whoops. See the runway? We have the short runway. Now we'll continue our turn.
40 Bravo, traffic on left base for runway 13 left Cessna.
Okay. They're flying the airplane. A Learjet below us.
Yep.
Cherokee 03 Foxtrot, traffic here following is now a half-mile final.
Now, as soon as I'll have them inside, I'll give them some room and I'll through my base.
03 Foxtrot, thanks. There's some traffic. We'll be departing runway 13 right
Okay, a
clear.
little bit more nose up, a little bit more nose up. The numbers, June, should be on top of the
33,
tower.
runway 13 right, line up and wait.
Just like that.
Air 40 Bravo, turn left Alpha 9 in the contact ground. Good day.
No. No.
I'm try to hit the
Look at the numbers.
traffic I'm following.
Mr. 1 Papa traffic, no factories on base now. Crosswind at your discretion.
Cross my discretion, 401 Papa.
Okay, look at the opposite end of the runway. See the Earth coming up? The Earth coming up?
One more time.
One more time. You want to do more?
733, traffic to plane, parallel, single left close, Cessna runway 1.